HDD upgrade and replacement. First, lift the battery module away from the system. Then turn the notebook over and remove the 3 screws here. Slide out the palm rest module. Remove 1 screw here. Now hold the floppy CD-ROM hard D board and slide out the HDD module. Remove these 2 screws and the 2 screws on the other side. Do not touch the inside of the HDD module. Then separate the HDD from the HDD bracket. Replace the new HDD into the HDD bracket. Secure it with 2 screws here and 2 screws on the other side. Push forward the HDD module to connect it to the floppy CD-ROM hard D board. Secure it with 1 screw here. Now slide the palm rest module into the correct position. And finally secure it with 3 screws on the bottom of the notebook. This completes the HDD upgrade and replacement.